Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 series with LatteGo and the Breville Barista Touch Impress. Big price difference right off the bat.
Huge. The Philips is around $600, but it is renewed, while the Breville is over $1,400. Is the Breville really that much better?
Well, the Philips has a 12-step ceramic grinder, which is decent for the price.
But the Breville boasts Baratza European precision burrs with 30 grind settings. That's a significant upgrade for dialing in the perfect espresso.
True, and the Breville has assisted tamping. So that means it automatically tamps the coffee for you, which the Philips doesn't do.
I saw that. It also auto-corrects the next dose. That's pretty impressive. Makes it easier to get consistent results, especially if you're not a pro barista. The Philips, you're on your own.
Right. The Philips offers 5 coffee options.
But the Breville has a touchscreen with like 8 presets and you can even customize? Plus, it has alternative milk settings.
Oh yeah, the LatteGo system on the Philips is pretty cool though. It mixes the milk and air really fast for a smooth froth, and it's easy to clean.
The Breville has an auto milk use system that adjusts temp and texture, which sounds fancy.
The Philips is lighter, at 21.6 pounds, and smaller dimensions, so it'll take up less counter space.
The Breville is heavier and bulkier, but it's stainless steel, so it probably feels more premium.
One thing about the Philips is it's a renewed product, which means it's been used before.
Yeah, that's a risk. The Breville is brand new, so you're paying for that peace of mind.
The Breville also heats up super fast, like 3 seconds.
Yeah, the thermojet heating system, right? That would be amazing when you need coffee ASAP.
So basically, the Philips is a good entry-level, super automatic.
While the Breville is for someone who's serious about their espresso and willing to spend more for the bells and whistles and consistent extraction.
Exactly. Depends on your budget and how picky you are about your coffee, I guess. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.